Alright, we're just gonna start out the vlog here. Trevor, thoughts on how tonight's gonna go?
Not well. Colin's here.
Riley, thoughts on the night?
It's getting started.
It's gonna started?
It's getting started.
Ah, sorry.
She's drunk already.
Close this. Your drinks aren't getting cold. It's because you're keeping them open.
Maybe you should kiss him.
I like to play Pong and I'm about to whip Will's ass.
That is not true.
I don't care.
An intense game of beer pong.
Blind wrestling.
Blind wrestling. There we go. Why is this?
We won't break these.
I didn't have a drink.
Hey, wait.
This man's not strong.
Can you though?
Okay, Will versus Matthew at the start.
That is unfair.
This has happened so many times.
That is a heavyweight fighting a welterweight.
Super heavy.
That is not fair.
Oh, never. I hate it. I hate it.
So
Wait.
fucking funny.
Well, one clap should like bring it down.
What's happening?
That's two.
It's a ghost.
Who did that?
The remote's right in front
Who
of you.
fucking did that?
You
Watch.
have the
No,
remote.
I'm not hitting any buttons. Okay.
Is the remote sticky?
There's no way. Shut the fuck up. They have the remote, Matthew.
Keep
Do you
telling
think it's actually?
There's only one.
Oh, there we go. There was no. It's not real.
There's only one remote, man.
Megan, you're a fucking
Okay,
liar. Because you made fun of me.
What is this? Just sat down.
in my pocket.
Hands up, everybody! Hands up! Pray for me!
Hands up.
Okay. Will it
Yes. You think I'm crazy? So where is it? This is actually a thing because they lost the remote like weeks ago.
Yeah.
Where was it?
In your hand.
Pass me the
Are
remote.
we playing the game? Yeah.
Whoever's the idiot just sat on the remote with their fat ass. So click the remote. Click the button. Sorry, I'm sorry if you've been doing too many booty pumps that you didn't notice. Does Shannon have the app?
Shannon? What does Shannon have to do with this?
You're playing on your phone. You're switching around. Okay, so I like.
I can find Papa's face.
Oh, that's toasted. It's toasted,
bro.
I think my sister's was 75, so that's toasty.
Toasty posty.
Toasty post.
Cool.
Pool's warm, hot tub's on. Like if you guys want.
What's up?
This new butt workout is really challenging.
Oh yeah, wait.
Ow, my earring!
Oh, okay.
It was on purpose to
Okay,
motivate.
ready?
Go!
I can't!
To the moon, Shannon!
Back up!
Brandon, help!
Back up onto my...
Okay, wait.
Yes! Yes, Shannon!
I feel so
There you go.
sturdy, Matthew. Do you?
Alright, chicken fight! feel really sturdy. Okay, this fucking guy's going down.
No,
Get me closer, Shannon! I'm gonna punch him in the face! Fuck! He's pushing me, Shannon! He's pushing me! Ow! Sorry. Ow! Sorry.
You know, if we're actually doing
Are you getting this?
We're going swimming to play chicken fight!
We're going swimming to play chicken fight! Everybody go put their basic soccer move on me one time and I'll fuck you up.
Oh, fuck you up.
Alright, okay, no, I don't want to play that.
Here we go, my Megan! Fuck him up!
I can't
I'm
even
lighter
feel
than
it.
Matthew.
I weigh more than Matthew.
Megan, this is not regulation! Get the ref!
I'm screwed, Joe.
She broke your ankles.
moving a long time.
Well, look who's inside
Do we wake up pleasure?
morning.
My new butt was not ready for that.
My new butt from the workout was not ready for that. Let's go swimming. Come on, folks. Are we going swimming? I'm going swimming. I'm going swimming. I'll walk there. Come on, guys.
Yes, hey, that's fun.
I didn't hear the end of it.
Colin's tent.
We almost drove right over it.
Where did Colin go?
And like he just like he flashed me earlier.
I got a tinky.
Don't, Matthew! Don't do it! We need you!
How fast can I go? We'll never know.
Puncher's going in.
This one? Mine will probably fit you, right?
Flip!
Be the Canadian diver.
Alright, who's next on the diving board?
It's cold out here, bro.
Yeah.
Penguin, sorry, penguin, no hands.
No, that hurts the top of my head.
He's going bald, you know.
Okay, you v me longest handstand.
Handstand.
In the shallow end, ready?
Shallow end handstand.
Here we go.
Go!
Chicken fight, Megan! Chicken fight! Here, Matthew, I will fight your chickens. Come here. Go! Daddy will catch you with your ass. Ass flop. Whoa! He's coming